vaccine rollout gains speed in South Korea, there are studies that argue that combining two different vaccines offer greater protection against the coronavirus. The government says it will conduct clinical trials on the claim.
Currently in South Korea, mixing two different types of COVID-19 vaccines like AstraZeneca and Pfizer is not allowed. But in Germany and France, they decided last month to use the AstraZeneca for the first shot and the Pfizer jab for the second. With more countries allowing the vaccine cocktail of two different shots and more research conducted on the matter, a clinical trial is also set to begin in Korea. The Korean National Institute of Health is planning the trial on some 400 to 500 people who received the AstraZeneca vaccine as the first shot.
1차 접종은 아스트라제네카를 맞은 군으로 대상으로 해서 국내에 허가된 모든 백신을 대상으로 해서 2차 접종을 하고 분석을 할 예정입니다.
However, authorities are more cautious on introducing the booster shot, referring to a third dose to further boost immunity against a changing virus. Officials said that the need for booster shots is still being reviewed by pharmaceutical firms, but enough vaccines have been secured if that becomes a reality.
청소년 접종과 부스터샷 대비해서 저희가 지난 4월 화이자 백신 4천만 회분을 추가로 계약을 한 바 있고요.
Meanwhile, vaccine reservations have exceeded 50% for the elderly population. Advance reservations for those aged 70 to 74 have surpassed 60% and 55% for those aged 65 to 69. However, the reservation rate for the 60 to 64 age bracket is rather low at around 40%. Vaccinations for those aged 65 and above kick off on May 27th nationwide using the AstraZeneca vaccine. Time slots for this month have been fully booked, but people can still make reservations through June 3rd, and the faster they do it, the more likely it is to get a preferred date of their choice. To ramp up the speed of inoculations, the government is considering sending civil servants also to households with family members under the age 74 to take reservations in person. Meanwhile, Health Minister Kwon Duk-chul is departing for the U.S. on Friday to join President Moon Jae-in on his trip to Washington. During his stay in the U.S., the health minister will work towards resolving vaccine issues and meet with corresponding U.S. government and corporate officials.